In South Louisiana, we find that very often people will donate their property, their house or other items, over to their children as a means of estate planning. We find that this is not a very good idea. Although it is relatively inexpensive and fairly easy to do, it's not a well thought out plan. And the reason is because of the 4 Ds. The first D is death. What happens if your child passes away? Instead of dealing with your child, you will now be dealing with your grandchildren, who may have different ideas about your planning and may have different ideas about who the property actually belongs to. The second D is debt. What will happen if your child has financial problems? The property that you gave to that child could now be subject to seizure from his creditors or her creditors, or could be seized by a bankruptcy trustee. The third D is divorce. What will happen if your child has a divorce? That estranged spouse of your child may have a claim to your property that you donated to that child. And last D is the Donnybrook Brawl. What happens if your relationship with your child breaks down and you have a fight with them? You would ask them to give the property back, and they may decide they don't want to do it. For these reasons, we find that trusts are oftentimes a better option. To talk to us about trust or other options, please give us a call at 225-769-4200. Thank you.